Before I get my things in and the place starts to get messy, I just arrived to the Mount Olympus Hotel. As you can hear, children running through the hallways. I'm in the main building, and I have a 2-bed queen room. And I want to give a raw tour. So right here is your light, and here's where you hang your coats, possibly your clothes. Here is for iron, but there's no iron there. And then your suitcase bin. This is your bathroom. Standard toilet, towels. I'm definitely gonna be asking for more towels. And then here is your tub. And then here is your sink area with standard soap and toiletries. Do not disturb tab, which I definitely am using. Right here, this is supposed to be Kleenex, but it is empty. I want to give a raw tour, no sugarcoating, no negativity, no overt positivity. I like their over-the-top wallpaper. And then right here is your ice bucket. If I can get the microwave open with one hand, your microwave. Thank you. My assistant is going to attempt to close that, and it's going to help open the refrigerator. And without the head in the way, you can see the refrigerator is pretty clean with the ice box as well. A light. I don't know where it turns on from though. A TV, and then here's a desk. This is a great place to eat, put your stuff at. A little wall mural. And then a desk on top of the table. And then your 2 beds, which I'm going to do a bed bug check on, which I do every hotel. And then right here, I love a green view. Now you may not have this view, you may have the parking lot or something different, but I love just looking at trees. I tried to open this window and I noticed it was a block on it. For whatever reason, they decided to drill a block on it, probably after maybe something happened, because you can tell they had purchased a whole entire screen and it's not even open all the way. And then the only thing I can say is the window sills aren't super clean, but that's the thing that's not usually cleaned. And then right here is little chipping going on. So that is the realistic view. Oh, this was set to 70 degrees when I got here, but I turned it off because my son kept playing with it. So now I'm gonna go downstairs and get all my stuff. I just wanted to show you what the room looks like on first walk-in. Standard hotel desk area. And yeah, I'll be doing a bed bug check and then we'll be getting our stuff in.